Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new person, I say Akwaba to you. You are warmly welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share the video, okay? And give us a thumbs up. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. I want to thank you all for your support and your encouragement. Please, today I'm going to share with you how I prepared this amazing, delicious egg and sausage fried rice. Very easy and simple to prepare. So stay tuned and enjoy. So with this recipe, I'm using 3.5 cups of basmati rice that I found, and it is amazing and very delicious. And I also have some veggies here, some spring onion there and some bell peppers, both green and red, some onions and also some carrots there. And I have some chili powder here. This is optional, and also the garlic here is also optional. And these are the spices that I'm using: some garlic spices, some Moroccan spices in there. And I also have 2 tablespoons of soya sauce here, some salt to taste. And these are the eggs that I'm using, about 7 of them. These are small ones, that's why I use a lot. And some sausage here to go with it. So we're going to cook our rice. My rice has already been washed, and for the 3.5 cups of rice here, I just added about 3 cups of water here. Okay, the rice is 3.5 and I'm adding 3 cups of water to cook with it. Okay, so I'm adding my salt in here, and I also added some little olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it, so that it gives it a very nice aroma here. Okay, so you cook it this way, your rice is going to come out amazing. So I've just put it in my rice cooker, and I just put it on start. Okay, so about about 40 minutes later, or I would say less than that, but I actually did not check the time, but it was perfectly and nicely cooked here. You can see how the rice are cooked. This is how I wanted it. It's not too soft, it's not too hard too. So I'm just taking the rice from the rice bowl here. Okay, so I'll just leave it to cool for some time before we just use it to prepare our fried rice. Okay, so just turning it around to make sure the heat is out. Here you can see this is beautiful. I love it. So right now I'm just um, frying my sausage here. Okay, sausage, it takes quite a while to cook, so I just want it to cook well before I use it to prepare the fried rice. So I just cook it about 5 minutes on each side, just turning it around. Yeah, you know it's raw meat that have just been blended, so I have to cook it well before you add it to your fried rice. Okay. Okay, and the sausage, you can omit the sausage if you like, or you don't want the sausage inside. You can just omit it, and it will be fine with you. So I'm just taking my sausage out, and we'll go on to the next stage of our preparation. So if you like what you are seeing, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, and also hit on the notification bell, so that anytime that I upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, and thank you very much for all your support and all your love. You can see I'm starting with the carrot here. Carrot is quite hard, so I'm just starting with it here before I will add any other vegetables. I'm just giving it a very nice stir. For the oil that I started with, the one that I used to fry the sausages, I just took about 2 tablespoons out of it, because it was quite a lot, and it's because of the sausage that I use that amount of oil. So you have to be careful with your oil that you use here. Okay, just a reminder to you. So I'm just cooking my carrot here nicely. Here I just want it just to be just a little bit soft, just like this. So I'm adding my bell peppers here and the onions. I'm just adding the veggies in here. You can see how colorful this is. Okay. This is the only time that I'm able to get my kid to eat veggies in the food. Okay, if you prepare it separate with the salad there, you're going to eat it yourself. Okay, I like it that way. I normally make salad as my side dish, and I like it. So I've just added my garlic and the spice here to make it a little bit spicy, and also all the other spices in there. Okay, so with the salt, I did not add any other salt again because one, I used the salt to cook my rice, and two, the sausage also was quite salty, and three, we have salt in our spices, so you have to be very careful with the salt when you are preparing this kind of dish. Okay, it's better that at the end of the day you taste it and see whether the salt is enough, then you can add. You can always add, but remember you cannot subtract the salt from it, so be careful. Okay, so I'm just making a hole to add my egg in there. You can see I'm just adding all the eggs in there. Okay, and I'm just pushing my veggies aside to allow the egg to cook for a while. So this can take about 2 minutes. You know, egg does not take too much to cook, so I'm just allowing the eggs to cook inside a little so that we can continue with our preparation. Okay, this is beautiful, this is beautiful. Okay, so you can see the egg has formed quite a while, so I'm turning it around. You can also decide to maybe fry the egg separately and add it to your fried rice. That would also be amazing. That way you can have the eggs in it in chunk form. If you want it chunk, a bigger portion inside, you have to fry it separately, but for me I just wanted it to mix with the fried rice, with the rice. That's why I made it this way. Okay, so I'm adding my rice to it. See, the rice is beautiful. Okay, I'm adding my rice to this, and to this I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of the dark soya sauce here, so that when you start stirring your rice, everything will cook together easily. Okay, so you can see this is beautiful. Okay, so you just give it a very nice stir. Make sure you stir it continuously and cook on a very medium heat or low heat, depending on the heat of your on the strength of your heat. Okay, depending on the strength of your heat, you have to be very careful, else you burn your rice before it gets cooked. Okay, so, as I was saying, I thank you all very much for all your kind words and your support. I appreciate it a lot. So, don't forget to leave us a comment down below, and I'll also leave all the recipe in the ingredients or descriptions down below. Okay, so leave us a comment there. Okay, and also like us on Facebook too, and thank you very much for your support. So you can see now I'm adding my spring onions. This came in last. Okay, with the sausages, because you know it just add the aroma to the food. Okay, I didn't want it to take the aroma out, so I like the aroma. It just add more aroma to the food. Okay, so you prepare it like this, and you are good to go. You can serve this with a side salad, and nicely prepared salad, or you can also serve this with your drink. Okay, for any occasion, this is amazing. So look at it. Okay, so with this you can just let it be on fire for just about 5 minutes and your rice is done, or until when you taste it, it's with the taste that you want, with the salt and also the texture, whether you like it hard or soft. You taste it and you are good to go. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. This is amazing, and I thank you all for your support. Like and subscribe, okay, and also share the video. Share it and share it and share it for us. For us, thank you very much, and I say bye for now.